The Art of Understatement. Understanding, downplay. Hello dear viewers. Today, we're diving into a very interesting phrase in the English language, downplay. You might have heard it in conversations, movies, or news reports. But what does it really mean? Let's break it down. Downplay is a verb which means to make something seem less important or less serious than it actually is. It's like when someone tries to reduce the significance or impact of a particular event, statement, or fact. For example, she downplayed her role in the project, saying she only did a small part when in fact she was the lead. The company tried to downplay the negative effects of the product. People might downplay for various reasons. 1. Avoiding attention. They might not want to be in the spotlight. 2. Minimizing criticism, to reduce the chances of being criticized. 3. Tact or modesty. Some people downplay their achievements out of humility. 4. Hiding the truth. Sometimes, it's to prevent people from knowing the actual gravity of a situation. Understanding synonyms can help grasp the meaning better. Some common synonyms for downplay are understate, play down, minimize, belittle, though this can sometimes have a more negative connotation. Let's look at some more examples to get a better understanding. 1. Despite the heavy losses, the coach downplayed the team's poor performance. 2. He downplayed his injuries just so his family wouldn't worry. 3. The government tried to downplay the extent of the environmental damage. So, the next time you hear someone using downplay, you'll know exactly what they mean. Whether it's to avoid attention, out of modesty, or any other reason, downplay is a versatile word that's widely used. We hope this video has been informative and adds another layer to your English vocabulary. Remember, language is always evolving, and there's always something new to learn. Happy learning!